What's up, everybody? I felt like this would be some useful information for everyone since I myself have been dealing with it for a few years now. And I feel like we're in the age of text messaging as well as communicating through many different various ways. I myself do not like answering voice messages. So therefore, I had to find a way to deactivate voice messaging on my phone. I have an iPhone 14, 15, and this should actually work on every phone, every iPhone, because it's basically the code in order to turn off your voicemail. So if you tell people not to leave your voice message and they decide to do it anyway, this is what you do. What I would really appreciate, though, if you have a chance, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if this works for you, I would really appreciate a thumbs up or just one word in the comment section saying worked. I really would appreciate that. You don't have to share it really, but just communicating back with me, letting me know that it works, will let everybody else know that this actually works to turn off and disable your voicemail on your iPhone. If you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is the same thing in reverse. What you want to do is you pick up your phone like you're going to make a phone call. You press the pound symbol, that's the number symbol. You press 7, 9, 6. Again, that's pound, number symbol, one time. 7, 9, 6. Pound again. We'll do it again. Pound. 7, 9, 6. Pound. Send the call. You're going to see your phone saying voicemail is deactivated. It's on. If you do the reverse, pound, 7, 9, 6, pound, you will then be able to open up your voicemail so people can leave messages. Thanks. Hope you guys don't mind the fire truck in the back. That's the devil working overtime. But we still got to get what we got to get done and get the mission complete. So I'm going to do it again. To turn it off, pound, 796, pound. Press the send. You're going to see it come on and say voicemail is turned off. Pound, 796, pound, and you can turn it right back on. Hope you were able to get some good information out of this video. Again, I apologize for the fire truck with the noise in the back. It's your boy BOOGOTTINYC. You could have went anywhere, but the fact that you came here, I appreciate you. So until the next time, get 'em! One. Also get your merch at www.medusausa.net.